Hawi, ito naman yung tanong ko sa'yo, no? Siyempre, naalala natin nung kampanya, hindi ba ikaw ay suporta kay Leni Robredo? And whether we like it or not, identified ka nakakampi, although mas dilawan ka. Seriously,
Hindi naman dalaw yung mata ko, pare.
pero ang puso mo dilaw. Pero ang tanong ko lang, Javi, and this is very crucial, ano? Kasi ang naratibo ng mga kakamping during the last elections, parang meron silang moral ascendancy, no? It's a battle between good and evil. So, anong nangyari? Parang bakit ngayon, nung nabuwag ang unity, bakit kayo nag-gravitate, for example, kay BBM? Talaga bang all along, anti-Duterte lang kayo?
Hindi naman kami anti-Duterte at unang-una, siguro mag-agree ako kay Ma'am Malu, no? Talagang kung mahina yung pundasyon ng grupo, talagang medyo may problema yung going forward. So I think that is really the problem there because it's really a politics of convenience rather than a politics of, let's say, of issues and on advocacy on their part, not on.
So yung kakamping na paglipat kay BBM, it's also an issue on convenience.
No, it's not an issue of convenience. Whether we like it or not, President Bongbong is already our president. The elections is 2020.
Sabi dati, never again daw. Paano ngayon yan?
Hindi, kay ano naman yun kay senior naman yun That doesn't apply to Bongbong Jr. To me.
Parang nung kampanya, hindi. Never
Well,
again kay BBM.
alam mo, lahat naman re-respetuhin natin, but we're talking about my own opinion, di ba? So, we leave it as that. I mean, that was in 1986. Iba naman buhay ngayon, no? At saka ibang tao rin si President BBM. At saka agree din ako kanina, kaya Mamalu, kung nag-iba yung posisyon, yun ang hindi ko pa agreehan pala kay Mamalu kanina kasi hindi magiging presidente si Sara. Kaya
kasama natin yung 28 dyan. Bakit ito kasi kasama dito?
para maganda yung usapan natin.
So sinasabi mo
Kunyari lang.
sigurado ka madi-disqualify ng
Wala akong sinasabing gano'n. Sabi ko lang,
tama on 2022.
baliktad lang yun. Sabi ko kung mangyaring baliktad, sabi ko hindi mangyari kasi hindi mangyari yun, hindi mangyaring presidente. Now,